Okay, so here is a test video of the Nikon Coolpix L18 camera, which I found in my garage while cleaning it out. I used this camera over 10 years ago for my videos here on YouTube, and I just recently rediscovered it. I just want to make sure it still works. There's the Laken tabletop fan, and there's my laptop over there. Yeah, I have used this camera in like over 10 years. The last time I used it was 2010, I believe it was. This is the first time I discovered this camera. It was actually Laken's camera too, and then she gave it to me. So yeah, this is a test video of the Nikon Coolpix L18 digital camera.